Hello and welcome to the Sunday Blog, the loosey-goosey video of the week where I show you bits and pieces of my life through very, very random clips. Enjoy.
Want to go on an adventure? Too bad. You're coming. Fuck that. What are they eating?
Ini tak bersemi ini sepantang.
Oh, hello there. Are you selling something, sir? Sir? Are you selling something? No? Okay. Are you selling something? Ma'am? Are you selling something? You would like to talk to me about my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ? No way! The tree is full of robins. Robin apocalypse. So we've been having intermittent power all day today, and what I've been using as my gauge is my alarm clock. I know that if this goes off, that's true laziness. That's very lazy. 'Cause I'm like, well, I'm gonna check that. I'm not gonna flick a light on. Just gonna see if that's on, then power's on. If that's off, then power's off. It's been going on all day, so I'm gonna get up. I hate this. Well, here's the report here. We're in an inch of water. We had a sprinkler bust. It's happening all over the neighborhood, it looks like. And now I'm sweeping out water. Yay! It's Snack Corner, the place where we find snacks we might like, or you just watch me put things in my mouth.
So you're confident? Oh, no question. Hillary's made her case. She is the most qualified presidential candidate, certainly in my lifetime, maybe ever.
Donald Trump will not be president.
Well, he is doing well in the South, so maybe he can be president of the Confederacy.
But Ohio, Michigan, Pennsylvania.
Cute. Everyone's sledding. Cute. Let's sled. So thankfully, we begin to thaw out here. Everything's all good. Just pouring some hot water on Just gonna pour some hot water on some ice here, so that my exit is a little bit easier in the mornings. I don't know if that did anything, but you can see this whole line here doesn't get hit by sun, so I needed to do something. Also, this is the extent of the damage. We really got lucky that we had this hole here and water being what it is and finding the least path of resistance came shooting out, maybe about a foot or two straight out and gushing out into here. So relatively stayed out of the house, which was good. But it's only because I had that hole there. So, but it was like a fire hydrant going off with water shooting straight out and then falling onto all this stuff. So we got relatively lucky. We're good. We're thawing out. Everything's all good. Everything's melting. So, not that anybody cares, but we're good. What a week. Wow.